Hey guys, it's Maggie, and well, I haven't uploaded many gaming videos recently. It's just that I haven't been busy, and I'm just lazy as fuck. And also partly because I technically have my laptop taken away, but like, whenever my parents aren't home, I'm just like, yeah, Tumblr. So I go on Tumblr and not record gaming videos or edit. Sometimes, no, I'll like record them and I won't edit them. Yeah, but I just recently, actually yesterday, I believe, I recorded a gaming video, and it's not Amnesia or MCSG or Octodad. I need to do more Octodad. Like, tweet at me and yell at me or something. Like, yell at me in the comments to do more Octodad. I almost forgot about that. But I recorded me playing Fallout Bird, which, if any of you don't know, it's like Flappy Bird, but it's made by, well, not made by Fall Out Boy, but I mean, like, it was their idea and they had input on it. Like, they didn't actually physically make it, but they designed it, I guess you could say. And it's just like Flappy Bird, except instead of the bird that's like flapping around, it's like a pixelated version of one of their heads. So it's fun. Um, and then the background, if any of you know, most of you probably do, but in Flappy Bird, the background's like a city, but in Fallout Bird, the background's Chicago. Just love it so much. So yeah, just felt like I'd tell you guys that I didn't forget, I guess, because I uploaded a video like